Hi, my name is Dr. Luann Sailors, and through my experience in special education, I've been asked the question before, why does my child prefer to wear noise-canceling earplugs? Although I'm not a medical professional, but based on my experience, I can tell you that the child most likely has some sort of sensitivity to sound, and processing sounds can be difficult for the child to experience at times. Now, in relation to this question, the situation is referring to the child wearing headphones or other ear protection without any input of sound. For example, a child might be watching television with the sound on the TV, but is also wearing headphones to cancel out some of that sound. If your child tends to have sensitivity to sound, you can always try allowing him or her to use headphones to help cancel out some of that noise. Trying something like this could have a very positive effect on the child's stress level and also their ability to function on other tasks. So give it a try and be sure to check out my website for other videos on special needs topics. I'll link the website below and thank you for stopping by.